That is unbelievable.
Low for that one.
On the frog. Guess I should do my intro here. So we're out here again today. Cole just got back from fishing the college national championships. Didn't do too well, but he's thirsty for a bite. We got a little frog bite there. I'm fishing that bluegill square bill that I had in that little tackle box unboxing. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how it goes. On the popper. Let's take it. Got a nice little fish on the popper here. Just came up and destroyed it. I wasn't even looking at the bait at the time, but bet your ass I heard it. Little guy, but always fun on the little topwater. Oh, let's get this bad boy for the release. And there he goes. Cool little bite there. Hopefully I got the bite on camera as well. Should have, but you never know. I'm not filming any GoPro today because I'm an idiot and was editing last night and forgot it in my laptop, so we're only doing the DSLR camera today. But let's see if we can't get any more out here. Day 2 has started. Gonna be throwing some more topwater. Cole over here is throwing the little whopper plopper. I'm gonna throw the little Bass Pro little popper like it was yesterday, and then I'm gonna probably switch to a frog later on, but we'll see how this goes. This little bubbler. There it is. There's a little guy. First one. Oh, first one on the popper. Not bad, actually. This little Bass Pro popper putting in work. So a little technical difficulties maybe, but this is a nice first bass of day 2 of the topwater. Probably, I don't know, a little over pound and a half-ish. Let's go for the release. Oh, he was ready. All right, got one hooked up here. Go figure, I wasn't recording. It was only a couple casts after that first one. All right, another even better one. Hell yeah. So we got fish number dose here. All right, guys, bass number 2, even better one on the little Bass Pro popper. He missed it out there on the first one. I didn't know if it was a bite, but I saw kind of a bigger explosion. Then he just destroyed it on the second try. So another good one. See if we can't get some more. Sweet.
Oh, you did! Alright, just cleaned up. Oh, you got one!
Oh, we got it! Is this a fish?
Maybe a lobster, yeah.
Oh man, that is funny. I couldn't even tell he was still on. That's hilarious. Damn. That's funny. All right, well that's fish number 3 today. Matt also joined us.
What's up, guys?
He's eating. It's more important. But yeah, fishing's pretty good today. 3 topwaters. So.
You didn't see anything. Woo! Not in there. Oh, it is. Good fun. That was a deep cat.
Well, look at this little guy. Probably like a 4-ouncer. Pretty solid. Give him a little, and we're good. So, this is what I've caught all the fish on. Little Bass Pro XPS popper. One hook has already fallen off, but they're not bending, so I'm actually kind of surprised. So, gonna keep throwing this. See if I can't get some more fish for you guys.
Take the rock bar off.
Did you guys open my Snapchat?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. I don't even know if the camera was picked towards over there.
That's pretty cool.
Oh God, stop jumping. How did you not come off? All right, another one bites the dust. He really wanted that one. Not a bad one. Better than the other one. Huh? Matt got a little action there? Nope, no. Mm-mm. Oh, that was epic. Damn. All right, we got a surfer coming in. It's high tide.
Nice fight, bruh.
Why can't my fish do that? Doubles. Doubles.
Hey!
He's got a little black whopper plopper on there. Hell yeah. Let's go for the release on this guy. That's cool, dog. All wet. That's so tight. Let's go check a look at Matt's.
What a beautiful fish.
Nice. Check that out. All right. Let's see the release on Matt's here. Nice voice crack. Whoa, easy killer.
What an aggravator.
All right, that is number 4 for me, I believe. Matt's first one. He just got here. Got done with that meal. But we're gonna get back at it on this topwater action. Hey, Cole's got one. Look at it's just Surf City out here.
Hey, watch the grass, bro.
Cole decided to bail and throw a jerkbait. But
Yeah, buddy.
fish is a fish is a fish. Still out here throwing the popper. It's getting a little dark, so I don't know how longer I can film, but we're gonna stay out here. But I'm gonna hopefully I can get another fish for you guys.
You're not even recording? Come on, man.
Here we go again, guys. I'm not recording, but there's another one. I amaze myself sometimes. I'd already made like 3 casts on that little thing sticking out of the water, but he still took it. Not a bad one. I think this night's coming to an end of filming, so it might be the last bass. Let's check the release. Bye, Felicia. Alright guys, so just got that last fish in. Pretty good day today. I got 5 on the little Bass Pro popper, and Matt got 1 on the whopper plopper, so pretty solid night. We're only been here for about 50 minutes, so that's not too bad for a little golf course pond. So I'm gonna end this video here. 2 days, some dope topwater action on a little golf course. Thanks for guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you want to, why not? And catch you guys on the next episode.